Let me show you my earnings for this month up to 26 days real quick. Okay, here we are. Boom, boom, boom. Here, let me refresh real quick. Awesome. So basically, guys, as you can see, we're at $95,000 for the month. That's 26 days into the month. And today we're at $2,300. It's just like 12 o'clock in the day, okay? So the day is like halfway through and we're at that much. And what I do to do this real quick, and I want to talk about the truth of affiliate marketing as well in this video, I thought of pushing people mainly to like areas where I can follow up with them in the future, because the best way to make money online is to follow up with customers down the road. So I collect emails, okay? I push people to my entertainment YouTube channel, which just has a bunch of content that essentially links to more sweepstake offers. So here's what I do. I have a whole website of a bunch of sweepstake offers. And on Max Bounty, you can see right here, there is a bunch of sweepstake offers. You can go down, this offer I promote a ton of. Then there's this one. These are sweepstake offers, like win an iPhone 11. I promote this one a ton. Okay, so you can promote a bunch of these sweepstake offers and just crush it. What I do, I have a whole website I push people to, just link you to a bunch of these offers. That actually doesn't make the bulk of the money. The bulk of the money comes from just simple landing pages pushing people to just one-off offers, okay? Just pitching one offer, keeping it simple. You don't really need to have a VSL, which means a video sales letter promoting a product or a sweepstake offer. And Max Bounty has tons of high converting sweepstakes, okay? And they have hundreds of them, so you can do that, no problem. And so that's what I do right there. And then I basically make content on my second YouTube channel like crazy. Lately, actually not even that much, but I built up at the point where I built up so much content and it runs and it links to each other and everything so well. I also have opt-in pages inside the description of the YouTube videos, and YouTube videos get millions of views a month. That's how you're able to do this. And you don't create the content yourself. You don't show your face. You can literally, all you got to do is just download other people's videos, add commentary. It's called fair use. Okay, you can remix, rehash, add commentary, add criticism to other people's top performing content. This is content that works, content that actually makes money. So when you know that, you just can freaking crush it, okay? Because you're able to crank out content, download content, add your own commentary to content, just crush it. You can go the approach too of YouTube automation here. Okay, there are people who basically have YouTube channels and they don't create any of the content. They just outsource to people who do the script writing, come up with the video idea. They come up with the video idea. Then they hire people for script writing. They hire people for then the voiceover, and then they hire people for the video editing and creation process. Then they have someone who uploads and does the thumbnail. And they have a whole streamlined process for all this, everything figured out to the bone.